Want to know how to make geological map? Update available.
In this video, we're going to talk about how to make geological maps or how geologists makes their map. Outcrops allow direct observation and sampling of the bedrock in situ or geologic analysis and creating geological maps. In situ measurements are critical for proper analysis of geological history, and outcrops are therefore extremely important for understanding the geologic timescale of Earth history. Geologists take great pains to measure and record geological structures because they are critically important to understanding the geological history of a region. One of the key features to measure is their orientation or attitude of bedding. We know that sedimentary beds are deposited in horizontal layers. So if the layers are no longer horizontal, then we can infer that they have been affected by tectonic forces and have become either tilted or folded. We can express the orientation of bed or any other planar feature with two values. First, the compass orientation of a horizontal line on the surface, the strike. And second, the angle at which the surface dips from the horizontal, perpendicular to the strike, the dip. It may help to imagine a vertical surface, such as a wall in your house. The strike is the compass orientation of the wall and the dip is 90 degrees from horizontal. If you could push the wall so it's leaning over, but still attached to the floor, the strike direction would be the same, but the dip angle would be less than 90 degrees. If you push the wall over completely so it was lying on the floor, it would no longer have a strike direction and its dip would be 0 degree. When describing the dip, it is important to include direction. In other words, if the strike is 0 degree and the dip is 30 degree, it would be necessary to say to the west or to the east. Similarly, if the strike is 45 degree and the dip is 60 degrees, it will be necessary to say to the northwest or to the southeast. Measurement of geological features is done with a special compass that has a built-in clinometer, which is device for measuring vertical angles. A depiction of the strike and dip of some tilted sedimentary beds partially covered with water. The notation for expressing strike and dip on a map is shown. Measurement of strike left and dip right using a geological compass with a clinometer. Strike and dip are also used to describe any other planar features, including joints, faults, dikes, sills, and even the foliation planes in metamorphic rocks. You need to jot down notes for you to easily recall the important ideas or information in a particular area with regard to your reference place in making your map. This includes sketches, measurements, and narratives. After making your outcrop observation, you will going to determine the location of that outcrop. Then you can make your own map using the information you get. The geologic mapper strives to understand the composition and structure of geologic materials at the Earth's surface and at depth, and to depict observations and interpretations on map using symbols and colors.